Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to give you a total overview and the step-by-step guide that how to connect your Facebook leads to Zoho CRM. To connect your Facebook leads to Zoho CRM, you need to integrate Facebook leads ads with Zoho CRM. So the lead generated from your Facebook campaigns are automatically pushed into your CRM system. Here is the step-by-step guide to do this. Step by step, how connect the Facebook leads to Zoho CRM. The step 1 is prerequisites. So ensure you have a Facebook business page running leads at a Facebook business manager account, a Zoho CRM account with admin privileges, and optional but recommended is Zoho CRM Plus or Zoho One subscription. Access to Zoho CRM Marketplace or Zoho Flow. Now the step 2 is use Zoho CRM native Facebook leads ads integrations. So Zoho CRM offers a native integrations with Facebook leads ads through the marketplace. Now here are the steps. Log into Zoho CRM. Then go to set up gear icon on the top right. Then under marketplace click all. Search for Facebook leads ads and install the extension. Click configure. Sign in with your Facebook account. Grant permissions to Zoho CRM to access your Facebook pages and leads forms. Now, step 3 is configure lead form mapping. Select the Facebook page and the lead form you want to connect. Map your Facebook form field like name, email, phone to Zoho CRM lead fields. Choose how the data should be stored in Zoho CRM as the leads or contact. Enable auto-sends to import leads in real time. The step 4 is test the connection. Go to your Facebook page, submit a test lead through the lead ad form, return to Zoho CRM and check the leads module. The test lead should appear with all mapped fields populated. Now here is the alternative method for you. Use Zoho Follow if you want more control. Zoho Flow is Zoho's integrations platform like Zapier and can automate this process. Like steps is visit the www.flow.zoho.com and sign in. Then create a new flow. Set the trigger app as Facebook leads ads. Then authenticate your Facebook account and select the page or the form. Now select the action app as Zoho CRM. Choose create leads or create contact. Map from fields to CRM fields. Then save and turn the flow on. Now here is the troubleshooting tips for you. Ensure you are using the same admin email on both Facebook and Zoho. Facebook forms must have at least one submission before mapping. Double check field mapping, especially custom fields. Use Facebook's leads ads testing tool to simulate submissions. So that's pretty much all thing about how you can actually connect your Facebook leads to Zoho CRM. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.